Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Our next song we would like to perform is a Sunday school medley. As all we know, everyone in here has been to Sunday school time of their lives. Well, these are some Sunday school, just a couple of Sunday school medley hymns that we like to do through our Sunday school medley. That's what Jesus said. He will make us all fishers of men as long as we follow him. So we must always remember to follow Jesus, follow the Lord.